Okay, it looks like today's the day. FX Master Gold has gone belly up, I think. It's rugged, or it's rugged, one of the two, belly up or rugged. Anyway, if you look at the Telegram, important announcement. As you all know, trading is a long journey with a lot of up and down. Most of you are following our gold strategy since few months already with consistency. We almost always delivered our target. So that's kind of a little bit of a worry, that sentence there, because it doesn't make real sense. It's bad English. And if they're going to put out an important announcement, you think you'd get the English right. So this is another thing that sort of points to it being a scam. As I've already maintained, I've always said this is a scam. So today, as every time we use the same strategy, which delivered good results week after week. However, since New Year, the market is very unstable due to the economic situation, the war in Ukraine, inflation, etc. Etc. should be ETC as well. Okay, just another spelling mistake. Per our strategy and the news, gold should have been bullish. Unfortunately, the most difficult part of Forex is to control your emotion. Today, one hour trader, again, really poor English, keep buying using a martingale system instead of calling it a day, which is a serious mistake. So the martingale system, if you don't know, is basically a casino roulette system, but you can apply it to other things. The simplest way of looking at it is if you bet one on red and it wins, you collect your bet and you start betting one again. If it turns to black, you then double up. Okay. So if it loses on red and turns to be black, you put two on the next one. Okay. And the idea is you keep doubling up 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And eventually when it comes to turn red, you'll get your one unit. All right. Unfortunately, I've been to casinos where I've seen 18 reds and it's bad news. It's not a good system to use. So as a result, more bad English. As a result, we had our first negative day and margin call since we started this strategy, and it is a shame. We are deeply sorry for this, and we know no words can solve this. It is sadly part of Forex. On our side, we are losing, so that says losing, by the way, our reputation, our business, which was growing every single day for the past months. There's so much bad English in this. And the most important, our clients' trust. At this point, we need to think about our strategy. All right, what am I doing here? I'm going the wrong way. At this point, we need to think about our strategy and come back with a better risk management. It was always a key rule for us, and today one of the trader and the market did not apply it at all. You see how much pronunciation and spelling is wrong in all of this. As you know, we never hide our trading results. We wanted to say on the channel, sorry for this, MC. But that is part of trading and it happens to very best. Even to world-class traders, bankers. The goal is and will remain the exact same to deliver consistent and transparent results. Please, as you know, we receive tens of thousands of DMs. We will not answer DMs regarding today. And as we explained, it all above and it will not be constructive. We'll come back stronger than ever very soon. Just really, really poor English, all of that. Okay. The they're not coming back. They've taken your money. Okay, it's a rug pull. All people's accounts are kind of emptied, and it's not due to trading. I don't think. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at the gold price. All right. So this is the last 7 days gold price. I don't know much about the gold price, but it doesn't look that bad to me. I mean, move 10 units. I mean, I know you deal in small amounts, but I don't know. It doesn't look as if it's moved drastically. How can they lose so much money? I don't get it. Okay, it's BS. That's what I think. BS. Also, if you have a look at Absolute Markets, the trading company, right? So if you have a look at Absolute Markets, they still don't have a trading license yet. They don't have a trading license and they're supposed to get one. You should have had one from day one. I keep banging on about that, but they don't have one. So all of this is BS, guys. I've been telling everybody I've made videos on this. And I said it so many times, and everybody said, no, you're wrong. They're properly trading. These guys aren't trading. They've never been trading. The whole thing's a Ponzi scheme. They're a bunch of scammers, and you can tell the scammers because they've got terrible English. All right, and that's one thing. So I think they've rugged. I think you've lost all your money. You're not going to get it back unless some miracle happens where someone can trace them and get the money back off them, or they decide to give the money back or something like that. But hopefully you've been listening to some of the YouTubers in their advice when they say don't invest all your life savings in this. All right. I mean, I kind of hope that you would listen to me and not them when they said put your money in this in the first place, because I've always said this is a Ponzi scheme. They're not actually trading. The whole thing's garbage. The percentages are way too high. It's not real. All right. So that is my opinion of FX Master Gold. I think it's a rug play. They've taken your money, and you're unlikely to see it again unless some miracle happens. If you've listened to and my other thing is, if you've listened to a YouTuber, and there's plenty of YouTubers who've been ramming this down people's throats, people like Jamsey, people like Crypto Croc, I've forgotten his bloody name now. People I've forgotten everyone's name. James Pelton. You know, I'm sure they've promoted this scam. All right. Lots of YouTubers have promoted this. So you go to your YouTuber and maybe ask for your money back, okay? They've been making money. So don't say to your YouTuber that you've listened to, don't say to them, oh, never mind, you know, you gave it a shot. They shouldn't have been promoting this, because it was clear cut, in my opinion, that this is a Ponzi scheme, a rug play. And they've been taking affiliate commissions. So don't give them an easy time. Any YouTuber that you've followed and you've gone through the link, you give them a hard time. Don't say, sorry, mate, you did your best work. I enjoyed your videos. I don't want to see that in the comments. I don't want to see that. You go to the YouTuber that you've followed the link to, ask them for your money back. All right. They've made commission out of you. Okay. You trusted them, that you followed their link and they gave you advice. I don't care if they say this isn't financial advice and all of that nonsense. My advice to anybody was not to go into this. Okay. I'm not going to make money out of my subscribers on this, because I never went into it, because I knew from the get-go it was a Ponzi scheme and potentially a rug play. So don't give your YouTuber that you follow an easy time. Give them a hard time. Ask them for your money back. Ask them for your money back, because they put you onto this nonsense. So ask your YouTuber. That would be my advice.